Check it out, check it out. Check out what I did. Alright. The length of the winch cable is shorter, and the mount is used with my machine gun. It's screwed on from the bottom. I changed the position of her holding the machine gun, and I also painted the machine gun olive green, even on the barrel, so it could camouflage a little bit. Not all black. And I think this baby looks sweet. I'm feeling this baby now. Can't wait till the guy, until the seller sells me, tells me what he got, so I could put him on and shit. So what do you think, guys? Looks good, right? That machine gun looks better than the regular one, the the 1/6 1/6 scale. This looks more detailed. Oh yeah. Check it out much closer. She's holding that crank right there and the handle also. I wouldn't want to mess with this lady. Oh yeah. Laters.